Soundcore earbuds not charging is a common problem, and the good news is it can usually be fixed at home. In this video, I will show you simple step-by-step troubleshooting to get your earbuds charging again, so make sure you watch till the end. First, let's check the charging case power. Your Soundcore earbuds will not charge if the charging case itself has no battery. Open the case and look at the LED indicator. If there is no light or no flashing, the case likely needs power. Connect the charging case to a power source using a cable and adapter that you know are working properly. After plugging it in, wait a few minutes and check the LED again to confirm that the case is charging before putting the earbuds back inside. Now let's clean the charging contacts on both the earbuds and the case. This is one of the most common reasons why Soundcore earbuds stop charging. Dirt, dust, or earwax can block the connection. Take a dry cloth or a cotton swab, dipped lightly in rubbing or isopropyl alcohol, and gently clean the metal contacts on the earbuds. After that, clean the charging pins inside the case the same way. Once you are done, let everything dry completely before placing the earbuds back into the case and checking if they start charging. Next, remove and check the ear tips and make sure the earbuds are sitting properly. Sometimes the ear tips or wings can block the charging contacts, which stops the earbuds from charging. Remove the ear tips and clean them with water if needed. Make sure they are fully dry before putting them back on. When placing the earbuds into the case, ensure they sit firmly and correctly so the contacts touch properly. After that, inspect the charging cable and adapter. A damaged cable or adapter can also cause charging problems. Carefully check the cable for bends, breaks, or loose connectors. Do the same with the adapter. If you notice any issue or are not sure, try using a different compatible cable and adapter. If possible, use the original Soundcore charging accessories for the best results. Now let's reset the Soundcore earbuds. Software glitches can sometimes stop the earbuds from charging. To reset them, place both earbuds inside the charging case and keep the lid open. Press and hold the button on the case for more than 10 seconds until the LED indicators flash. Once the reset is complete, leave the earbuds in the case and let them charge without disturbing them for some time. Next, check for a firmware update using the Soundcore app. Outdated firmware can also cause charging issues. Download and open the Soundcore app on your phone, connect your earbuds, and look for any available firmware updates. During the update, keep the earbuds inside the case with the lid open and wait until the update finishes completely. Finally, if only one earbud is not charging, this is also a common situation. In this case, reset the earbuds again and make sure the charging contacts of the non-charging earbud are clean. After that, place both earbuds in the case and leave them charging for a couple of hours before testing them again. That's it for this video on fixing Soundcore earbuds that are not charging. I hope these step-by-step troubleshooting methods helped you get your earbuds charging again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech fixes. If you have any questions or if one of these steps worked for you, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.